Mississippi, our shopping is way less than your shopping.
The population of Bemidji is 13,419.
Bemidji is
Tiny!
Bemidji is 100 miles from the Canadian border,
which translates to 6,336,000 inches.
which is also 16,093,440 centimeters.
The average low temperature in Bemidji, Minnesota in January is -4 degrees. That's pretty cold!
Yo, we're from Bemidji. We get lots of snow. Way more than all you, yo. 44.2 inches per year. Don't y'all wish you lived here?
Word!
Minnesota is known as the land of 10,000 lakes, but it actually has 11,842.
In Bemidji, we have a huge statue of Paul Bunyan.
It is 6 yards, 540 centimeters, and it weighs 2.5 tons.
Some people might have snow days, but here in Bemidji we've had 3 cold days because it's been below this temperature, -40.
We made tessellations in math. Tessellations are the complete covering of a plane with a repeating pattern of figures. Here's our one that we did when we studied China.
Mondrian art was created by Piet Mondrian. He was an insane guy that only likes symmetry.
Pi is a mathematical constant whose value is the ration of any circle circumference to its diameter. It is an irrational number. This is the sign for pi, and that's what pi equals.
3.1415926, etc., etc. We also studied polyhedron. Polyhedron are solids bounded by plane polygons called the faces. Cool.
The numerator, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Thank you.
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Slope is the ratio of the rate of change in y with respect to a change in x. Slope measures the steepness of a line as you look at it from left to right.
Okay. Why, hello there. We are doing another interesting fact that's not in Bemidji, but it's in Minnesota. Darwin, Minnesota, to be exact. And it just happens to be the world's biggest ball of twine. And show them a picture, Alex. It's a very interesting sight to see. And they celebrate the Twine Day years every year, approximately the first weekend in August.
At the polar plunge, the water was 15 degrees Fahrenheit.
And they're raising money for the Special Olympics. They jump in the lake when it's frozen. And this is an example of what they did.
Oh, freaking! Oh my god, it's so cold!
Wow.
Cut.
The average snowfall in Minnesota is 18 inches in the northern part to the bathroom, and to more than 32 inches in the southern part.
Another interesting fact is the ice out, which is the time that the ice is supposedly going to be melting on the ice of Lake Bemidji. And predicted by the DNR for this year is going to be April 26th. And the earliest was April 11th, and that was in 1976. And the latest was May 22nd, that was in 1950.
This is a replica of the world's largest snowman. It's 54 inches tall and was built out of concrete.
It sits in the southwest corner of Minnesota. Highway 36 in the Marshall State, in north-south St. Paul.
The most common fish caught in Bemidji, Minnesota is walleye.
Bemidji Middle School was built in 1982, and the 6th grade wing was built in 1991.
Yes, Marissa, but that is very true. And also Mr. Jim Wheeler is our head principal here at the middle school.
You're right, but you're also forgetting that there are about 1,005 students in the school and about 100 staff members.
There are 9 different pods and 3 pods per grade.
There are 110 students
in our favorite pod, 5 pod rocks.
Okay. Push it.
I love math. You love math. We all love math. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. We can do it side by side.
Eight divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8.
World Math Day!
This is the root to be taken, this is the radical, and this is the radicand, and the equal sign 2 is the root.
Say it.
3 strikes, you're out.
3 strikes, you're out.
Yeah.
3 strikes, you're out.
3 strikes, you're out.
Right, good. Got
World Math Day! Woo!
World
Math Day! World Math Day! World Math Day! World Math Day!